reason, Michael's brain has become susceptible to seizures.
We have no idea what's causing this start for Halloween.
And this night, the two conditions collide.
I picked TNT.
At some point during the night,
I
he
picked
has one of
TNT
those
too.
natural seizures.
An electrical storm erupts in Michael's brain, triggering a chain reaction in his body. His limbs flail, his jaw clench, and most dangerously, his autonomic nervous system malfunctions, losing control of his heartbeat.
Nobody knows the exact mechanism. They do know that when people have seizures, their heart goes down really slow.
Michael's heart, already in trouble, now beats erratically, quivering, until finally
And shivering.
it stops. By the next morning, there's nothing his friend or anyone can do.
And they pronounce him dead.
Michael's grieving parents are thankful to finally have some answers, but the revelation is still difficult to come to terms with.
Never knew he had a heart problem. Never. I'm like, what kind of a mother was I? I didn't even know my own son had an enlarged heart.
That's a very difficult thing to pick up, actually. Even a chest x-ray, you don't do chest x-rays on 25-year-old men who don't need it. I don't think you're ever relieved to find out why your son dies, but I think it really helped her to know that it wasn't the drugs or alcohol. I don't know how it made her feel because he couldn't get them out for his